I want to welcome you back to another video, and if it's your first time here, my name is Young Fizz. I also go by Mr. Dope Status on Instagram. You can follow me there. I make helpful machine tutorials as well as other audio related content. But today, Native Instruments has announced 3 new products. We're going to be taking a look at all 3 of them. The first one is 24K keys, second one 24K drums, and then we have a Leap expansion, which is luxury hip hop. Do yourself a favor, head down to the link in the description box below and pick up the bundle. Or if you just hear something you like from the drums or the keys, you can do that as well. I'm going to walk you through one of the beats that I made using these 3 products, and we're also going to be taking a listen to some of the presets. Let's dive in. All right, so let's go ahead and break down this beat. I do want to let you know that a lot of these sounds come from the early 2000s of hip hop, a lot of different textures and things of that nature. So let's go ahead and get into the sample from Leap. I have Contact 8 loaded on group A1. Let's bring that on the screen there. And as you can see, I just pretty much was going through some of the kits and I came across this Destiny's Return kit. And let me go ahead and go over to that there. We're going to do Contact and do keyboard mode. I'm going to change this to major so I have all of the notes playing that are white. And I just pretty much heard something. So I had just pretty much heard that there. Then I heard that kind of like a chime sound. And then I just played it together. And then I didn't like that at the end, so I just kind of had that repeat halfway through, so it just went like. So something like that. The next thing I did, I then came over to the drums, and this is using the 24K drums. And if you're not familiar with this, it kind of works the same way as you would expect with like the Noah 40 kits and some other expansions in this nature. This one has the HP filter, the LP filter, reverb, delay, tighten, texture, tune, level. And as you can see, we have our drum kit there. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in keyboard mode. You have the different kicks, snares, tom, the hat, crash cymbals, and I just kind of pretty much programmed my own sort of drums here, so you can see the pattern down here. So I'll solo this by itself so you can hear what it's doing. So just real simple drum pattern. And then for the lead, pretty much came over here, found this sound in 24 keys. And as you can see here, we have the play series. So we have the sound, can adjust it there, the effects, sequence, kind of how you would expect it to work, just like all of the other play series. So with this particular sound, you can do something cool. You switch this to minor mode because I'm playing in the minor. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and turn on the Leap expansion so you can understand what the lead is doing. So let's listen to what it's doing. So really cool stuff there. As a bonus, I have Soul Gold vocals, and turn this back to major. So just pretty much grab some vocal chops from that, and this is what we have for the whole beat. And then just to spice it up just a little bit, I did add some strings in here as well. And I believe that is on, let's see where that's, oh, right here, number 1 here. Song number 1 is the strings, and that just comes from Session Strings. And that's pretty much the beat. What I want to do now is dive into some of the presets so you have a better idea of what all 3 products are sounding like individually. And then also, again, I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below. So if you're interested, then definitely head down to the description box and download the bundle now. All right, so let's go ahead and get into some of these drums. Again, this is inspired by 2000s hip hop. This is 24K drums, and let's go through some of the presets. So that is the 24K drums. Now let's take a look at some of the presets that the 24 Keys has to offer. So there we have a huge library of sounds, 24 keys, different textures, things like that. Now what I want to do is jump into the Leap expansion, and let's go ahead and take a listen to some of the demos there. So what I want to do now is load the Leap expansion, and we're going to do instruments, go over to the VST3 and load Contact 8. And once Contact 8 is posted, I can come up to my Leap section here and then just look for the luxury hip hop, and we can see it right here. And let's take a listen. And that is the luxury hip hop Leap expansion. Again, all of these products can be listed in the description box below. If you want to support the channel, simply download one of the products or all of them in that nature. If you want to support the channel, it's your boy Young Fizz, Mr. Dope Status. We will see you on the next video. Thank you for tuning in, and we are out.